Students, today we will discuss about the HCF and LCM. So firstly we will discuss about the HCF. So student, we have two methods to find the HCF. First method is prime factorization method and second is division method. So firstly we will discuss about the prime factorization method. So students, let us consider an example. We will find the HCF of 350 and 750 by prime factorization method. So students, firstly we will express both the number in the form of prime factorization. So firstly we will do the prime factorization of 350. So 350, last digit is 0. According to divisibility rule, this number is divisible by 2. And we have to take firstly small number. So we can try with the 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 1 is left, that is carry over here. 2 sevens are 14. Again 1 is left, there is 10. Then 2 fives are 10. Okay. Now here last digit is 5. So this number can divide it with the 5. So we can try with the 5 now. So 1 is not divisible with the 5. That's why we are taking here 17. So 5 3s are 15. Now 2 is left. So that is here 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. So this is the prime factorization of 350. Now we will do the prime factorization of 750 like this. Now here also last digit is 0. So we can try with the 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is carryovers. That's why here is 15. So 2 7s are 14. And again 1 is carryover. 2 5s are 10. Now according to divisibility rule, you can check sum of the digits. 5 plus 7 12 and plus 3 15. That's why this number can divisible with the 3. So we can try with the 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 is carryover. That's why here is 15. So 3 5s are 15. Now last digit is 5. So it can go with the 5 also. So 5 we can try with the 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 is left. There is 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. In the next step, we will write both the number in form of prime factorization. So firstly, we will write the prime factorization of 350. So here 350 is equal to C. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So we can write here like that. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 7. Next is 750. So here factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5. So we can write here like this. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5. So students, after this we will write the common factors. So see, common factors are here. 2 is common and then 5 is common, then this 5 is common. So we will write the common factors. So that is 2 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5. So student, the product of common factors is called HCF. So product is 2 5s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. So the HCF of this sum is 50. Got it students? Now we can try the HCF with the another method, that is division method. So for division method we will take another example. So we will take example C 27, 36 and 90. We will find the HCF of 27, 36 and 90 with the division method. So by this method, firstly we will take two numbers. In the first step, we will divide the greater number with the smaller number. So here greater is 36. So we will divide 36 with the 27. Now see, 27 ones are 27. After that, we can subtract it. So we can't subtract 7 from 6. That's why we have to take borrow from here. There is 16 minus 7, that is equal to 9. And 2 minus 2 is 0. After this, we will divide the divisor by this remainder. So we can write this divisor here. So we will write 27 here. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 9 threes are 27. We will proceed this step till the remainder obtained is 0. Got it? So see, 27 minus 27 is 0. So the HCF of 27 and 36 is 9. Now in the step 2, we will divide this 90, that is greater than 9, with the HCF, that is 9. So now 9 tens are 90. Now the remainder again is 0. So the HCF of 27, 36 and 90 is 9. Got it, student? So this is the HCF by prime factorization and division method. So students, now we will discuss about the LCM. So here we have two methods about the LCM. Firstly, we will try with the first method, that is prime factorization method. So student, for this we will take another example. We will find the LCM of 24 and 27 by prime factorization method. So to solving this, firstly we will do the prime factorization of 24. That is even number, last digit is 4. It can go with 2. That's why 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 12. Now 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Got it, student? Now we will do the prime factorization of 27 like this. So 27 is go with 3. So 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Got it, students? After this, we will write both the number in form of prime factorization. So see here, 24 is equal to, prime factorization is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. And 27 is equal to 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So students, LCM is the product of common factors and uncommon factors. So LCM is equal to, firstly we will write the common factor. See, common factor is only 3 here. So we will write this 3. Another are uncommon factors. So we can write all the uncommon factor like this. See, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Now the product of common and uncommon factor is called LCM. So see, you can multiply 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. You can multiply 72 with the 3 in the rough column. So you got 216. So 216 is the LCM by prime factorization. Got it? Now another method is division method. Here we will find the LCM of 24 and 56 by division method. By this method, students, we will do the prime factorization of 24 and 56 together by separating the commas, Okay, so we will write 24 comma 56 like that. Now here we can do according to divisibility rule. See, 24, that is even number, so it can go with the 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 12 twos are 24, next is 56. 2 twos are 4, 1 is carry over here 16, 2 eights are 16. Again with 2, 2 6 are 12 and 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8, that means 14 twos are 28. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 sevens are 14. Next 3 ones are 3 and 7 is not divisible with the 3, that's why 7 as it is. Now we can do with the 7. 1 as it is and 7 ones are 7. So students, product of these factor is called LCM by division method. So we can write these factors like this. LCM is equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. See, 2 multiply by 2 4, 4 multiply by 2 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 multiply by 7, it is equal to 168. So 168 is the LCM of 24 and 56 by division method. Got it, students? Thank you.